G'day, folks. Welcome to the Traveling Kangaroo, your virtual passport to the most exciting destinations across the globe. We're all about taking you on vicarious adventures, sharing hidden gems, and revealing the marvels of the world's most celebrated sites. Our mission? To inspire your wanderlust and arm you with knowledge for your next big trip. So buckle up, mates, because the journey of a lifetime is just a click away. Today, we hop over to the city that never sleeps, New York. Our first stop, an iconic symbol of freedom, the Statue of Liberty. Rising above New York Harbor, Lady Liberty has been welcoming newcomers to America's shores for over 100 years. This colossal copper statue, a gift from France, represents the universal symbol of liberty and democracy. Every detail, from the 7 spikes on her crown representing the 7 continents and oceans to the broken chains at her feet, symbolizes freedom. But did you know that the Statue of Liberty was a dull copper color when it was first erected? Over time, the elements have given her the unique green patina that we see today. And if you've ever wondered about her size, she stands at a staggering 305 feet from the base to the tip of her torch. A visit to New York isn't complete without seeing this beacon of freedom. Next up, the bustling heart of New York, Times Square. It's not just a square, it's an experience. A symphony of light and sound that never fails to amaze. Here, the city pulses with vibrant energy, from the bright billboards that light up the night sky to the bustling crowds that fill the streets. This is a place that's always alive, always moving, always changing. Imagine standing here as the iconic billboards spring to life, illuminating the square with a kaleidoscope of colors. It's an unforgettable spectacle, a testament to the city's love for the dramatic and the grand. And then there's the New Year's Eve tradition. The world watches as the famous crystal ball drops, marking the start of a new year. It's an event that captures the spirit of celebration, of hope, of new beginnings. Times Square is truly the crossroads of the world. Now, we take a breather at the city's green lung, Central Park. This sprawling oasis stretches over 843 acres right in the heart of Manhattan. It's a sanctuary for New Yorkers, a place to escape the concrete jungle, to jog, picnic, or just soak in the sun. Central Park isn't just a park. It's a testament to New York's love for culture and nature, intertwined. Iconic landmarks pepper the park, from the Alice in Wonderland sculpture, loved by children and adults alike, to the Bethesda Fountain, a symbol of healing and rebirth. Let's not forget the Strawberry Fields, a tribute to John Lennon, embodying the city's undying spirit of peace and love. Whether you're visiting the Central Park Zoo, rowing on the lake, or ice skating at Woolman Rink, there's always something to do and see. Central Park is where the hustle of the city fades into the background, and you can appreciate New York at its most serene. Central Park, where city life meets nature. New York is also home to some of the world's best museums. Among these esteemed institutions, the Metropolitan Museum of Art stands tall, housing over 2 million works spanning 5,000 years of history. You can journey through time, exploring ancient Egypt, then stepping into medieval Europe, all in a single visit. Then there's the Guggenheim, an art museum, as renowned for its modernist architecture as it is for its impressive collection of contemporary and modern art. This spiraling masterpiece is more than a building. It's a journey, leading you through a splendid assortment of artworks. And let's not forget the American Museum of Natural History, an institution of exploration and discovery. With halls filled with dinosaur fossils, cosmic displays, and exhibits showcasing the diversity of life on Earth, it's truly a celebration of our world and its history. A treasure trove of art and history right in the heart of the city. Let's not forget about the unique High Line and the towering Empire State Building. The High Line, a one-of-a-kind park, is a marvel of adaptive reuse. It's a vibrant, elevated walkway crafted from a former railway line, where the city's hustle and bustle feels a world away. Here, you can stroll amidst lush greenery, innovative art installations, and enjoy a different perspective of the city. Now, let's cast our eyes upwards, way up to the Empire State Building. This iconic skyscraper has been a fixture of the city's skyline since the 1930s. It's not just a testament to human ingenuity, but also a spot that offers breathtaking views. From the observation decks, you can see the city sprawled out beneath you, from Central Park to the Statue of Liberty. It's a sight to behold, day or night. New York's skyline wouldn't be the same without these two landmarks. Beyond Manhattan, there's still so much to explore. New York's metropolis is a world unto itself, But venture a little further, and the Empire State unfolds in a tapestry of diverse landscapes and cultural treasures. Take Long Island, for instance. Stretching eastward from New York Harbor into the Atlantic Ocean, Long Island is a summertime paradise. Its beaches are the stuff of legend, from the family-friendly sands of Jones Beach to the celebrity-studded shores of the Hamptons. But it's not all sun and surf. The island is also home to quaint seaside towns and historic lighthouses, not to mention world-class wineries where you can savor a glass of locally produced Chardonnay or Merlot. A stone's throw from Manhattan, nestled high on a hill overlooking the Hudson, lies the Cloisters. This branch of the Metropolitan Museum of Art is devoted to the art and architecture of medieval Europe. The museum itself is a marvel, assembled from architectural elements that date back to the 12th century. Here you can wander through tranquil gardens, marvel at intricate tapestries, and immerse yourself in a world of knights, castles, and mythical creatures. Finally, let's head north to the Catskills. This mountainous region is a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Its lush forests and rolling hills are crisscrossed by hiking trails, while its streams are teeming with trout, a fly fisher's dream. In the fall, the Catskills transform into a riot of color, a spectacle that draws leaf peepers from far and wide. And let's not forget about the region's rich cultural heritage, from the famed Woodstock Festival to its thriving arts and crafts scene. New York is a state of contrasts, where the hustle and bustle of the city gives way to the tranquility of the countryside. A short trip from the city takes you to these amazing places, so why not venture beyond Manhattan and see what else the Empire State has to offer? Finally, we head downtown to the financial heart of the city, Wall Street. At the epicenter of global finance, Wall Street is more than just a street. It's a symbol of economic power and ambition. Here, fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. Among the towering skyscrapers, one building stands out, the New York Stock Exchange. Established over 2 centuries ago, it's the world's largest stock exchange by total market capitalization of its listed companies. It's a place where dreams are traded, where the pulse of the economy can be felt. And let's not forget the Charging Bull statue, an emblem of aggressive financial optimism and prosperity. The bronze bull is a popular tourist attraction. It's said that touching the bull's horns, nose, and testicles brings good luck. Whether you're a finance buff or just a casual visitor, you can't help but be swept up in the energy and excitement. Wall Street, where finance and history meet. And that's a wrap on our New York adventure. We have journeyed together through the streets of the city that never sleeps. From the towering Statue of Liberty, through the neon lights of Times Square, to the tranquil paths of Central Park. We've marveled at world-class museums and the architectural marvels of the High Line and Empire State Building. We've ventured beyond Manhattan, exploring Long Island, the Cloisters, and the Catskills, and we've walked the bustling corridors of Wall Street, the veritable headquarters of commerce. But this isn't just a voyage through New York. It's part of a larger journey we're on, a journey of discovery and exploration, of understanding and connection. This is what the Traveling Kangaroo is all about. We hop from place to place, bringing you along with us, sharing the wonders of the world, the rich tapestry of human culture, and the breathtaking beauty of nature. So if you've enjoyed this adventure, why not join us for more? Subscribe to the Traveling Kangaroo to stay updated on our latest escapades. Follow us on our social media platforms to get behind-the-scenes glimpses and travel inspirations. And don't forget to visit our website, travelingkangaroo.com, for more travel tips and insights. Until our next destination, stay curious with the Traveling Kangaroo.